What's up, everyone? Matt Darby.
I'm Hashavelli.
We're here with Rosin Evolution to do some unboxing with the new stuff that we got from Lowtemp Place.
That's a big box.
No peeking, no peeking.
This looks like the small arm attachment, but with the 6-foot hose.
Yeah, that looks like the 6-footer, so you don't have to be all close to it.
As long as you got some hose.
It says it's 10,000 PSI. That's pretty good. Stuff right here. Oh look, Rosin Evolution bags, nice. User's manual, always good to get. Stickers, pins, tools and hardware, and a pop socket. You always gotta get the Rosin Evolution merch, magnets and timer. Low profile cylinder.
Gonna attach here to this pump, and that's what's gonna give you your pressure.
I like that it's all red. Rosin Evolution color.
What's that controller you have there, Darby? This is their brand new heat controller, Bluetooth.
Dang,
And
Bluetooth?
you can set the settings from anywhere on your couch. You can turn it on and get it heated up without even having to lift a finger. A brand new interface.
This is nice. This is real nice.
There's the inputs, other side, power, a bright touchscreen interface, and it's able to track automatically the plate and PSI. That means no more blowouts. You don't need to guess how much resistance is left in those bags. This will tell you automatically, and you can set your recipe to know exactly when to stop, wait, and press some more. So no more blowouts with low temp plates.
Want to pull that puppy out?
Some Rosin Evolution paper. This is gonna be the 55-pound ultra thick because once again, we want no blowouts. So once it makes it through those bags, you don't want your paper to give out. So who do we use? Rosin Evolution.
Rosin Evolution, the only brand I trust. All right, this is a big
Wow,
dog.
this is beautiful. My favorite colors too. This looks like it's gonna be the 4x7-inch low temp plate, compact 10x10x6-inch design. Super sturdy, you hear that? It's like slapping a bag of soil at the market.
Oh yeah.
Give it a slap.
Well, you look at that.
It's sturdy, but it's not too heavy. Powder coated steel, this thing's coming in at 58 pounds. A light table can hold it.
It's able to do how much, you think?
Depending on how much you want to pack your bags, at least up to about 50 to 60 grams at once.
3x6s from Rosin Evolution fit perfect with this size.
Should we fold a bag and show them how it's done? We're gonna do it right now, people.
All right, cool. So we got the BVA in there. Now we're gonna connect it up, see how simple it is to get it all done.
When I'm setting this up, I like to put my plates in the position I want them first. So where do you want to put it?
Let's put this on this side and we can get that on the other side. Spin this around for you.
Well, all right. Where do we want to put this? We got the long hose, as we all know. What do you think at home? Wrap it around in.
Put it in there, thread it in. I like it this way because now you guys can see the gauge. Yep, it's going up. The slack is picked up.
Straight out of the box, you can be pressing within 10 minutes at home. And did you know these 8x16 Rosin Evolution sheets can actually be folded to fit these 4x7 low temp plates perfectly?
I'd love to see that.
One quick fold over itself. We're gonna make a couple notches.
So why are the notches important?
The notches are just to grease it in so that we don't have anything leaking from the sides during our press. So now we're gonna fold in those notches 2 times.
Double check it, double fold it.
And now what we have is a locked-in design that's perfect to fit your bag. And you put your bag inside and the rosin will directly flow all out one side. And you can easily control everything with one person. And we're always gonna make sure that we tuck it in so the entire bag is inside and it's pretty even. If there was rosin in here, it'd be coming out beautifully. It would drip down this paper, and you can use magnets from Rosin Evolution or any other company to help you prop up the paper, fold it, or just hold it yourself while you admire that fresh press.
Or you could just dab it right off the press.
Like Hot Dabs podcast.
Ow! Imaginary pressing is done.
You pull it out.
Oh wow, that's ready to dab. Well, let's look at these control units in this heating element.
Oh, and it's magnetic. Wow, I didn't realize that.
Surprise. So we got our heating elements right here. They slide into plates. There is a ground and there is a power. Then that just connects directly to the control unit. Put in this manifold that hooks up into the brain in order to monitor how much pressure is going through it.
I was wondering where the third one was coming in. So here we go. So we're gonna have one for each heating rod that's gonna go into the plates. And one is gonna actually be connected to the pump as the medium to actually tell you how much resistance is left in those bags, because no blowouts, no whammies. Thank you, Lowtemp plates. On the box, it is labeled pressure, lower, upper. Wow, snaps in. Snap closure.
That was
That's
quick.
nice. Now we're gonna do the same thing to the top. And it's easy to do this by hand without needing any tools.
Put the manifold, plug this bad boy in where it says pressure. Wow, that is nice. So there's a little USB chip for all of your information so that you can keep track of all of your stuff.
So as you can see, we have plenty of room to press and prepare all on one table.
Or you can put 2 or 3 of these on a table and just bang out a bunch of work for all the legal facilities.
Talking about the Medusa setup that allows you to hook up 4 controllers at once to have 4 of these bad boys pressing.
Dude, the Medusa.
Is this hooked up? Can you turn it on?
Oh yeah, everyone loves doing this. Welcome to Thunderdome. Well, that's a really nice display. I like that. You have your upper plate, you have your lower plate, you have your start time. Over here is your PSI, bag size.
Bag size, so you can put in the size and the weight of your bag so you know exactly what type of recipe you're using.
Oh, that's nice.
Should we do it?
Yeah, let's
What
go.
do we have? 3x6 inch Rosin Evolution 25 micron bags. Darby, look at how nice this is.
Oh wow, you can just put all the information, and the best thing about Rosin Evolution, they show you right there on the front. And with our temperatures, what do we want to do those at?
You don't have to spend a lot of time pressing up, down, down. Like, you're not putting in a cheat code to GTA here. Type in those 3 digits and you're off to the races.
So we would just put the heat button.
Wow, and it turns green as it starts to heat up.
Green means go, baby.
So we're gonna see that gradually go up until we reach 185 and then we're ready to press. All right, we're back and we're all heated up.
Took about 7-8 minutes.
So far, the experience has been phenomenal. As soon as you press something, the feedback is quick, there's no lag. So today we're gonna be pressing some GMO. We're gonna be using the Rosin Evolution 2 by 4.5 inch bag.
And we're using these papers also, the 6x12s. Rosin Evolution has everything you need. So the scale's here to put in the weight and the bag size.
Now we're gonna enter that in.
And we got the 2x4.5s. And the bag weight we're looking at is 15.99. There we go. If everything says it's ready to go.
This is gonna be double bagged Rosin Evolution 25 micron bags. We're not gonna be worried about any blowouts from the back or the side.
Double fold, double bag.
So we're gonna place this bag completely centered. So I'm gonna place it inside and we're gonna slowly go down. Now the paper can stick out a little bit. We just don't want any part of the bag. So I'm starting to get some resistance, which means that bag inside is turning slowly from hash to rosin, and it's greasing right now. And our plates are actually reading out at 165 each right now. So, oh, we accidentally tapped the heat button off. So we're at 160 degrees. So that was a user error.
Mr. Hot Dabs himself.
So that means that the press is gonna have to be a little bit slower because we're going in at such a low temperature. If it was a higher temp, we could go faster.
Oh, it's just those fresh, creamy chirps.
So we're gonna slowly press down.
Now it just hit 120.
And so don't overdo it.
Oh yeah, that's looking gold.
So as you can see, we have some beautiful blonde rosin here.
Oh yeah, that looks amazing.
This is beautiful.
So when is this hash from? 2022, properly preserved hash will come out perfect 1 year, 2 years, and you're gonna get beautiful gold Dracula things like this.
Now that we're heated up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and start to press more.
That's so thick.
It looks like fresh maple syrup.
That's delicious.
400 PSI right now, and we have a majority of the rosin out already.
But as you can see, the temperature is so low, you're not getting any discoloration, you're not getting any color change.
You can never make anything better than how it was grown. All we can do is hope to preserve that resin in the best way possible, and that's what we're doing right now with these low temp plates and Rosin Evolution paper.
Shout out to the growers.
All right, we're coming in at 1550 PSI, so we're starting to get to the end of our journey. I usually do about 30 to 40 gram presses, and I try to get up to about 4,000 PSI.
And so you want to make sure you get it all out.
At this point, there's very little chance of it blowing out because we have it pressed and compacted so much.
Have you been working out, bro?
This is the only workout you need.
Dang.
So now we're good. We just hit 427
420, baby. That's how you know you're
4260 PSI, so we're over that 4,000 threshold that we were looking for. We clearly have a beautiful resin. Everything yielded. We didn't leave anything in the bag, so I'm gonna go ahead, let the pressure out while I hold this to make sure it doesn't drop, but it usually never will. Boom.
There you have it. Beautiful resin.
No blowout anywhere around.
Fresh off the press.
We usually like to let it cool for a little bit before trying to mess with it, because right now it's gonna be like a wet syrup, a wet sap. If you let it cool, it'll come to more of a stable, more workable condition usually. So I think that about does it. Now the next step is either collection or taking a dab yourself. I always like to taste test it first.
I like that. I think that's what we should do. And everything just came together in like, what, 2 minutes?
You're pressing within the first half hour out of the box. What more can you ask for? The efficiency, the compact size, the beautiful quality.
So thanks again, Lowtemp Plates. Thanks again, Rosin Evolution, for having us, and see you next time.
See you next time.
Like.
Subscribe.
Like.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like.
Like.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Like.
Like. Stay tuned for more videos.
Rosin Evolution.
Rosin Evolution.
Links below for everything you saw today.
What'd you think about it?
I love this thing. It's 10 out of 10.
I'm about to take it home. I'm throwing it in my backpack and take it with me.
I'll cover you.
Dude, this thing is so good, I need to start a grow just so I can press my own stuff.
Really?
I just want to be like Rosin Evolution. It's a beautiful thing.